Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Good morning.
It is day 2 of Universal. I don't know what day of the holiday it is.
I think it might be 9.
Yeah, I think it's day 9. I think it's day 9. Going back to Islands of Adventure.
We're going to do some actual roller coasters.
My back's better today. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's good enough.
But it'll do.
Now that we can tackle Velocicoaster, so we're going to start with that.
Come with us.
Come with us.
And we'll just take you on a journey of adventure at the Islands of Adventure.
Yes, come to Islands of Adventure. Let's go. Come here. Come
to the bus.
Come with. This way. Come. This way. Come. This way. Come.
Come along.
Come. And we're here.
Each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination after every running cycle.
I think I need a lozenge after that one. You're not looking too talented. You're not looking too bad. Hi, Blue.
Please, what would you like to name her? Bang.
Maybe it's a real one.
Wow, I like that. Alright, lots of good news. Jessica, what would you like to name her?
Real. Don't ruin it.
Orange. And did you have one?
It's good. I suppose. Maybe. T-Rex is looking a little thin. He's looking like we could do with a bit more meat on his bone. See, I don't have to be a dad to actually be that close. Come on.
Was that a joke?
Get out. You go there.
Well, that would be the carnitas tater tots.
With green eggs and ham again. Are these for me?
These are for us. Well, all the jalapenos can be for you. They're not going to be for me.
I guess
they probably shouldn't be for you.
I guess we can share. I can allow that. We've done a roller coaster and we've had some food. Do you want to go do another roller coaster?
I do. Do you want to have a nap or do you want to do a roller coaster?
I feel like I need a roller coaster to wake me up because I just almost fell asleep eating food.
Yeah, that's not good.
I'm turning into an old man. I really am. Don't laugh. You can laugh. That's a very angry looking roller coaster, don't you think?
You would like it when it's angry.
I would like it when it's angry.
No, maybe.
Because it'll go faster. Maybe what they're screaming for, what happened to us? I don't scream on roller coasters.
Is the next clip going to be you going?
Don't look that scary.
No, it's not.
No, it doesn't. No. It looks really tame. And innocent.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And gentle.
Yeah.
And relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Yeah.
You were feeling sleepy before, you will after.
Yeah. for now, and we're going to head over and reattempt this Bourne Stuntacular. And maybe even get that ice cream drinks that we couldn't get last night on the way. We're going to walk past there anyway.
Ciao.
So, maybe the sugar will wake me up even more. Back again. So they didn't have your one again?
Getting one step closer. We're going to share it and then we're going to try again. And next time, hopefully mine will be in and he can have a sundae.
Yeah. So we got the hazelnut one with Nutella.
Heavenly hazelnut with everything and everything.
How is it, baby? Was it heavenly? I think it's heavenly. No, you can't have it. It's mine. It's mine. Baby, can we go get an can we go get an obligatory photo next to the
Universal Hall.
Yes. Go quicker. I wanted to say Universal, hurry up. Moves almost as quick as you.
Aha.
Ah. Universal. I can't get it in shot. Can't get it in shot. Your head's too big. Look, it's just taking up the entire bottle. Look at that.
Shall I just get out?
Look at that. I can't see. Smile, baby. Smile. Smile for the camera.
Videoing.
Close up. Here's your close up. Time for your close up.
No.
I want it to be a movie star.
Stop it.
No. High five. Should we actually take a photo?
Yeah.
We'll take a photo. I'm done playing. We'll take a photo. The Bourne Stuntacular take 2, baby.
Yeah, let's try again.
Hopefully it doesn't cancel this time.
Hopefully not.
Thank you for agreeing to join this unique situation analysis team. Frankly, we need... No, strike that. I need your help.
Did you enjoy the show, baby? We actually got to do it today.
We actually got to do it. It was very clever.
It was very clever. I like the way they use the screen, and then they rotate the stage, and to do like car chases. He climbed a tower and they rotated the tower, and they made it look like it was the camera in a movie.
Yeah, it was
moving around.
The use of real life and the backdrop, you almost had difficulty differentiating sometimes. Is that the screen or is that a set in front?
And that one bit where he, at the end of the car chase, where he jumps off the bike and he like grabs onto a lamppost, and it goes from really quick to slow motion, and the actor goes into slow motion as he swings round the lamppost.
That was fantastic.
That was fantastic. That was the best bit of the show.
I did not like it when they showered us with
They get you wet. Yeah. They get you wet.
I'm not happy with that. Sorry, water.
They get you cold and wet, but when there's an explosion, they don't use fire to warm you back up again. So that was just rude.
It's just rude. So apart from that, bloody brilliant.
Yeah, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I'm liking the style of Halloween Horror Nights on Halloween Horror Nights. You should go like that with your Demogorgon sticking through the middle. Show me the back. Very nice. Should we back to the room then and get ready for tonight?
No, let's go back to the room and then nap and get ready for tonight.
Well, that sounds like a good idea. See you guys later. Yeah?